Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this video, I will uh, tell you guys about Islamic story, about Islamic things, and the title that I want to share to you guys is about the benefits of passion in Islam and its extraordinary wisdom. So, passion is one of the valued values in Islam. The word passion itself often appears in the Quran and Hadith as an important teaching for Muslim. Let's learn together the great benefit of being patient in Islam. First is passion in the Quran, getting closer to God. The number one is getting closer to God. The Quranic verse in Surah Al-Baqarah ayat number 2 teach the importance of patience. O you who believe, ask for help to God with passion and prayer. Indeed, God with those who are patient. This verse reminds us that we are patient in facing trials and obstacles. We draw closer to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Passion is a way to strengthen our faith and strengthen our relationship with the Creator. Number 2 is great reward or great pahala. Allah SWT also promised a great reward for those who are patient. In Surah Az-Zumar ayat 39, God says, those who are patient will have an infinite reward. This is God's joyful promise for those who chose to be patient in the face of life's trials. These infinite rewards will be given in the afterlife, so in akhirat. Number 3, forgiveness and God's mercies. In Surah An-Nahl ayat 16, God affirms that He will grant His forgiveness and mercy to those who are patient. And for your obedience to Allah, He will reward and He will not reduce the reward for your deeds. Patience in facing various trials of life is proof of our obedience to God, and in return, God will grant His forgiveness and mercies. Benefit of patience in daily life. Number 1, overcoming life trials. We all face trials in life, whether it's financial, health, or relationship problems. By being patient, we can overcome these trials better. When we are patient, we are able to take wise steps in dealing with problems without excessive emotion. Number 2, improve social relationship. Patience also plays an important role in social relationship in everyday life. We interact with various people who have different backgrounds and opinions. By being patient, we can maintain harmonious relationship with the people around us. This creates us an environment of peace and mutual respect. Number 3, self-control. Being patient helps us to control ourselves. When we feel angry, frustrated, stressed, patient and teach us to reflect on our actions and avoid actions that are impulsive or detrimental to ourselves and others. Number 4, self-improvement. When we are patient, we have time to reflect and improve our weakness. This is an opportunity to develop yourself and become a better person. And then, exemplary stories from Hadith. Hadith is the source of Islamic teaching, which also underlines the importance of patience. Here are some exemplary stories from the Hadith. Number 1, patience in the test of life. In the Hadith of Ahmad's story, the Prophet ﷺ said, "Know that patience is the first time of disaster." In this Hadith, Prophet Muhammad ﷺ reminds us that patience is the first tested when we are faced with disaster. It is an important moment to patient and face with the sincere heart. Number 2, patience in worship. In the Hadith of Al-Bukhari, that Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, The deeds that Allah loves most are those that are done constantly, even if they are small. In a context of worship such as prayer, fasting, or charity, patience is key, although sometimes we feel heavy continuing to perform worship with patience and a way to get closer to God. Number 3. Be patient in social relationship. In the hadith of Tirmizi, that Prophet Muhammad SAW said, "There is no believer who has good relationship with his brother unless he has been patient with the bad nature of appears from his brother." This hadith teaches the importance of patience in maintaining social relationship. Sometimes other way have bad traits, but with patience we can maintaining good relationship. Being patient in Islam has great benefits, not only in getting closer to Allah and achieving rewards, but also in facing life's trials or akhirat, improving social relationship, controlling on ourselves, and improving ourselves in everyday life. We can take inspiration from the verse on the Quran and Hadith to live better life with patience. In our action, be it worship or social interaction, let us always remember the value of patience taught by Islam. By being patient, we can face all the trials of life with calm and science heart, make ourselves better and blessing from Allah SWT. So, patience is Islam is very important to ourselves and others, because the patience is the key for when you want to pray to Allah. You have to be patient. While other when is not getting kabul or not. Okay, that's for the speech of my Islamic speech. Okay, sorry I have some mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.